I'm Dr. Abid, Associate Professor in one of the private medical colleges in Kerala. And it is very easy to deliver lecture class to the students rather than speeches in the dais. To give a speech like this, it is very difficult. When I was doing my PG, usually, as he said, his professor told him to hold the camera, don't to look at the monitor. Our professor told that you don't take any instrument from that tray or from that, because there is the laparoscopic instruments are kept there, and that was locked by the professor, and he kept the key with him. He won't allow any of the assistant or associate professor to open that. He won't allow anyone to do the laparoscopy also. The government has given modern equipments, everything, but he won't allow anyone. And he will tell to the person who want to do the surgery, he will tell, okay, I will give the key, you should take all the responsibilities. One thing it goes wrong, you will be responsible for that. At that time they says, okay, I don't want to do the surgery, okay, you keep the key with you. At last one assistant professor came from one Trivandrum Medical College, Government Medical College, and he says that, okay, I will take the responsibility and please give me the key. Then the first case, and I am posted as the PG in his unit, and the first case was laparoscopic truncal vagotomy and GG. That was the first case. And he is also doing the laparoscopy. Just started the laparoscopy. Then he keep on doing dissection for at least 3 hours, and after that he says, okay, now we can convert into open, and we can do GG and that. Like that. The same thing, but finally, after 3 years, he became one of the most popular laparoscopic surgeons in the state. And he gone from the government field, and now he's working in a private sector, and he's one of the best laparoscopic surgeon and the best bariatric surgeon. Thing is that he has got that enough patience to give the to do the surgery at least for 2 to 3 hours. He keep on dissecting. At last, finally, he said, you can convert and open door. And at the end of my PG, he was doing laparoscopic Whipple resection and laparoscopic total gastrectomy. At the end, that was his learning curve. He started from base like that. And the other thing I found that I was also doing this cholecystectomy, appendicectomy and hernia from my institution. But thing is that whenever something goes wrong, I will blame the sister or the assistant. You are not holding the camera correctly, or the pressure, everything is wrong. Tell the other one to hold it or to maintain the pressure and the flow. I don't know what's the normal flow rate, normal pressure that is needed, nothing. Simply doing the case, they will arrange everything, and we the people came there and put the pot and do the surgery. That's all. I learned it from my seniors. Then I asked my senior, how will you put this pot? How will you put this pot? How will you put the secondary pot for the cholecystectomy? Then he said, no, you put one pot here, one pot here, one pot here. You form a triangle, that's all. Any triangle you can form. That's it. And for obese patient, for lean patient, anything, the same thing. And we will struggle there. And we will finally convert into open, and we will do the cholecystectomy. This was the usual dictum there. And when I was planning to come here for joining the fellowship, I asked some of the colleagues, okay, you can also join with me for this fellowship. Then they told, no, we are doing the training from here itself, that we can do these cases, and if you are not possible, we can convert it, no problem from here. Then why are you spending 2 lakhs to go there and to study this? That is the concept. That is the basic concept is not there. That means we don't have a clear-cut concrete or base. What you are learning is something you are learning from the seniors. They are not teaching us the proper basic things. That's the lack that I felt. But that lack is completely fulfilled from here. Sir, Mishra sir and Chauhan sir, I am very thankful to you people for giving me all this basic knowledge. And now I am very sure, 100% sure that I can do, at least I can try the intracorporeal knotting, suturing, everything in my patients also. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.